Hey y'all, my name is Ryan Schroeder and I'm here with Daniel Sykes. We're at the Circuit Juneteenth Invitational where Daniel just got the win. Daniel plays high school ball at Birdville in North Richardson Hills, Texas. And I first want to start off with, y'all didn't have a lot of players. You only had 6. They had a full roster. Y'all still probably pretty tired out there. Do you do a lot of conditioning or, how do you prepare for that kind of thing?
Yeah, well, with my coach here, he'll take all of us out to the track and we'll just go through conditioning and just keep running. We just run over and over and over again so we can be prepared for stuff like this.
I saw you play at Who Want the Smoke where you had 18 points. Today you had 27 if you didn't know that. How do you like playing for Lone Star Elite? Do you feel like this AAU organization fits you well, and how do you play with these guys?
Man, I love it. Out of every AAU year I've played, this is definitely my favorite. They just welcome me. It feels like a big family.
And what's called? I think what's called the 3-point shot to send it to overtime was definitely one of the big shots to make tonight. You're down 3 after an and 1. How does it feel to hit that 3 and just send your team to overtime to eventually go to double overtime?
That's another thing we just practice, simulation things. Well, we'll put maybe 5 seconds on the clock and let the buzzer sound, and we'll just shoot it every time.
There you go. All right, man. Well, thanks for talking with me, Daniel. If you want to see him play, feel free to follow him on social media, which will be below and in this Instagram. And then come out to Lone Star Elite, one of their tournament games, or you can come see him at Birdville this winter for his senior season. My name is Ryan Schroeder, and this is Ballers Bridge.